If you've been thinking about getting healthier and losing a few pounds, then today's video is definitely for you. We're talking all about the best foods for weight loss. We know it can be overwhelming to navigate the sea of diet foods out there. But don't worry, we've got you covered with some real, delicious and effective options that will help you feel full, satisfied, and yes, shed those extra pounds. Whether you're looking to boost your metabolism, manage your cravings, or just make healthier choices, there are certain foods that can make all the difference in your weight loss journey. So let's dive right in. Before we jump into the best foods for weight loss, let's quickly talk about the science behind it. We all know weight loss is about creating a calorie deficit, which means you're burning more calories than you're eating. But it's not just about eating less, it's about eating smarter and choosing foods that are nutrient-dense and help you feel fuller for longer. Foods that are high in fiber, protein, and healthy fats help keep you feeling full, so you're less likely to overeat. And the best part? These foods are often lower in calories, but packed with essential nutrients that your body needs. So let's get into the foods that'll help you reach your goals without feeling hungry all the time. First up, we've got protein-rich foods. Protein is essential for weight loss for a couple of key reasons. Not only does it help build and repair muscles, but it also keeps you feeling full and satisfied longer than carbs or fats. Some of the best sources of lean protein include chicken breast, turkey, eggs, fish like salmon and tuna, and plant-based proteins like lentils, beans, and tofu. These foods help regulate your appetite and promote fat loss while preserving muscle mass. Salmon in particular is amazing for weight loss because it's packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which can help reduce inflammation in the body and support fat loss. And if you're vegetarian or vegan, don't worry. There are plenty of plant-based options that can give you the protein you need. Tofu, tempeh, and edamame are great choices. Plus, beans, quinoa, and chickpeas are high in fiber and protein, so they'll keep you feeling full for longer. Next up, vegetables. Now, we all know veggies are good for us and they can actually help you lose weight too. Vegetables are low in calories but high in fiber, vitamins, and minerals, making them the perfect food for weight loss. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and arugula are some of the best veggies you can eat when trying to lose weight. They're packed with fiber, which helps keep you full, and they're incredibly low in calories. But it's not just the greens. Colorful veggies like bell peppers, zucchini, and cauliflower are also great choices. They're low in carbs, packed with antioxidants, and rich in water content, which helps you stay hydrated and feel full. So load up your plate with these nutrient-dense, low-calorie veggies. You can snack on them raw, saute them with a little olive oil, or throw them into soups, stews, and salads for a satisfying meal. Now, let's talk about fats. Wait, fats? Isn't that something we should avoid when trying to lose weight? Actually, no. Healthy fats are an important part of a balanced diet, and they can even help with weight loss. Foods like avocado, nuts, seeds, and olive oil are high in monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, which help reduce inflammation, support brain health, and regulate hormones that control appetite. Studies have even shown that diets higher in healthy fats, like the Mediterranean diet, can lead to weight loss without restricting calories. Just remember, fat is calorie dense, so you want to make sure you're consuming these in moderation. Avocados are an amazing source of healthy fats and fiber, and they make a great addition to salads, toast, or even smoothies. Speaking of fiber, let's dive into the role fiber plays in weight loss. Fiber is one of the most underrated weight loss tools, and it works in a couple of ways. Fiber-rich foods like whole grains, berries, beans, and oats are amazing because they slow down digestion, keeping you fuller for longer. They also help regulate blood sugar levels, reducing cravings and promoting fat loss. So try incorporating more whole grains into your meals. Swap out white rice for quinoa, or choose whole wheat pasta over regular pasta. Add more fruits like berries, apples, and pears to your snacks or desserts. Trust me, your body will thank you. Next, let's talk about foods that are low in calories but high in water content. These foods help you stay hydrated and feel full while keeping your calorie intake low. Watermelon, cucumber, celery, and tomatoes are all examples of foods with high water content. These foods can fill you up without adding a lot of calories, which is a win when you're trying to lose weight. Plus, they're refreshing and hydrating, which makes them perfect for warm days or as a side to any meal. Speaking of hydration, don't forget the importance of water when it comes to weight loss. Staying hydrated helps with digestion, boosts metabolism, and can even help reduce cravings. Sometimes, when you think you're hungry, you're actually just thirsty. So be sure to drink plenty of water throughout the day. You can also hydrate with herbal teas or water-rich foods like cucumbers and melons. So there you have it, the best foods for weight loss. Whether you're looking to fill up on protein, get in more fiber, or snack on healthy fats, these foods will help you reach your goals without feeling deprived. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel to get smarter every day. And don't forget to leave a comment down below with your favorite weight loss friendly food. I'd love to hear what works for you. Thanks for watching, and remember, healthy eating is a journey, not a destination.